I'm not happy, I'm not sad, I'm just missing someone in my life, my father. The man who taught me strength without shouting. The man who stood tall for me even when he was weak inside. He may be gone from my sight, but he's never left my heart. Every day I carry his words, his discipline, his love, and his lessons. When life hits hard, I remember what he taught me. Stand firm even when you feel like falling. I still hear his voice in my silence. I still feel his care in my decisions. He wasn't just a father, he was my backbone, my hero. This world feels colder without him. But I keep going, not because it's easy, because he would want me to. To everyone missing their dad, you're not alone. Cry if you need to remember him with strength, because great men cannot. If you agree with me, drop 100 in the comments and follow me for more.